Okay, I'm Doug Silate, and just recently had a solar panel installed. When Josh came over, part of American Home Contractors, he came over to give us an estimate on a roof. The motivation was the roof was leaking. We had spots up in our ceiling in the upstairs bedroom. And when Josh walked up the walkway, he said, this would be a perfect house for a solar system. And that was the farthest thing from my mind. I really didn't think about it. But after he went up on the roof and found the problem, he actually found the problem why the roof was leaking and did a pretty thorough job. I was impressed with his thoroughness. So Josh sent us some information on the solar system. And it included some cost information for the solar system versus putting a conventional rooftop on. And he gave us several different options with the solar system. Also gave us the option of just repairing the roof, which was a much lower cost, versus replacing the roof without the solar system, which was a lower cost. And we really started looking at several things. One, the payback. What's the payback period for the solar system? We looked at, well, heck, we got to replace the roof anyway, so that cost is going to be sunk. Basically, we're going to spend that money regardless. And then we looked at, I think the way the payback worked, it was about 10 years, a little bit less than 10 years to recover the cost of the solar system. And we really like the idea of having very small electric bills as we move forward in our retirement years. So I started running some numbers. Got the spreadsheet here, but I put together a spreadsheet and looked at the payback based on the largest system that would fit on our roof. And it came in under 10 years, and it became more of a reality. What started out to be not even a second thought became a reality, and we decided to go forward with it. The other big thing with this system, it's a GAF integrated system. We looked at a lot of roofs, even in our neighborhood, and they look kind of blocky, and they're suspended off of the top of the roof, and I had some concerns about that, future maintenance costs, etc. This system being integrated, it's streamlined. And I've had several comments about how nice our roof looks with the new solar system on it. So we're really happy with the appearance. We're really happy with the quality of the installation, and that includes everything from the way that the components were mounted onto the side of the house, the way the conduits run. By the way, I'm an engineer, a retired engineer, so I look at the details, and I was very impressed with the thoroughness and the quality of the installation. And at the end of the day, once we got it turned on, I took a reading of the first 5 full days of usage, and we have an 85% efficiency from the solar system. And the last 5 days were really not that great weather. We had several cloudy days, so and I have an app I look on my phone, and I can see what I'm generating day by day, and it was really surprising that we were recovering so much of our energy costs. And I have to say that my motivation was more from a financial standpoint, peace of mind. My wife was more into the carbon emissions, kind of reducing our carbon footprint, and being a little more responsible for our actions in light of the fact that we now have a grandchild, and we're looking for his future as well.